Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how we can use Anki. First, open up your Anki. Now click on Create Deck, give it a name, and hit OK. You can add more decks and put them under the others, just by simply dragging them. You can see them using the plus icon. You can click on a deck to open it. Now to add flashcards, click on Add as shown. Now write your question in the front and the answer in the back, and click on Add. You can add many more just by following the same step. Now close the window, and you can see you have 2 new items. Click on Study now, and Anki will show you the front of your flashcard. You can see the back side to confirm your answer and review it. Now go to your deck and can see your stats, and that's it. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.